Hey everybody, welcome back to another Keto Chow surprise box unboxing. This is the August surprise box. We cannot wait to open it and see what goodies we have in store for our August. Did you guys have some predictions? Do you know what a prediction is? Prediction is like a guess of something that you think might happen. What do you think is in here?
I think there's gonna be pistachio.
Pistachio?
I think there's gonna be orange cream.
Orange cream, that's good because that's a summer one. Although there was an orange cream last month. Remember?
Yeah, but
And we made popsicles?
yeah, I want to do
And you want more? Okay, all right. I'm wondering if maybe there'll be some of the new strawberry cream or the new vanilla cream in there. Because those are kind of summery flavors too, and they're, new. And in the surprise box, you can get some of those limited edition and seasonal flavors. If you just get the pick your own flavor box subscription, you can't pick those seasonal and limited edition.
I want to tell them something.
What do you want to tell them?
I have a loose tooth.
What? Drinking keto chow is not going to help that loose tooth come out. We're going to have to make you like sticky apples, like allulose caramel apples, and that'll get your tooth out. If you just drink keto chows, your tooth will never come out.
But I'm just gonna eat. Like I want to have a popsicle.
Ooh, you think a popsicle will help get your tooth out?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's a great suggestion.
Cause they're like
if you bite on the popsicle?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me do this.
Yeah, we are. We'll do the surprise. Okay, let me finish talking. I know it takes forever.
You can go first.
Okay, thanks.
And then Renee, and then me.
Okay, so the surprise MyChow box is the cheapest way to get keto chow. You can get a 20% discount on the keto chow in the box. The only caveat is you can't choose. It's a surprise. If you do want to choose your own and you do the MyChow box where you choose your own flavors, you get a 15% discount. So it's still a good deal. And if you have never heard of keto chow, it is a nutritionally complete keto meal, and it's a shake, and we have come to really, really love it in our house. My husband uses it a lot for convenience because he's, working all the time. And to have a meal that you can have while you're, driving to and from jobs is a plus. I've been using it for simplicity in my diet as well. As a mom of five, like 95% of my life is consumed with food for people, and we live on a farm, so food for animals as well. And keto chow really helps just simplify things a little bit. For myself, I can just grab a shake and it makes it so easy for me. So we love it. All right, that is enough talk about what's in the box. Now to actually open it and see all the flavors. Because it's like, I love keto chow because it is convenient and nutritionally complete. They have all your, daily vitamins and minerals, a third in each shake. So theoretically, if you were to have 3 shakes a day, you'd get all of the vitamins and minerals that you need for the day. Although they don't recommend doing 3 shakes a day long term. So not only is it nutritionally complete, but it's also super fun. They have different flavors that come out at different times of the year. They have limited edition flavors, all kinds of just fun stuff to make it exciting, and anything to make healthy eating fun, I am all about. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna stick our hands in. We gotta get our letter down at the top. So we're going to take turns picking one out at a time, and we'll show you what flavors it is, and then at the end we will show you the recipe cards. That's the other bonus about the surprise MyChow box, is that they include recipe cards that use the different flavors in the box. Do you want to pick one first?
Yes.
Okay, so don't look. You got to reach on top and just pick the top one.
Don't look at it.
What is it? Show it to the camera. Chocolate mint. We love chocolate mint, don't we? Yes.
Yes.
Okay, you ready, Renee?
Yeah.
Don't look.
Salted caramel.
You know you love that one.
I never tried
Charity
that one
loves.
before.
Oh, I think you have, but we could try it again. Charity loves this one as ice cream. She doesn't like all the keto chow flavors, but salted caramel is the one she always asks for as ice cream. All right, my turn.
Yeah, your turn. Close your eyes. No.
Ooh, this one's for me. Mocha.
Oh.
I need to try this one as ice cream. I bet that would
That
be
was
really
my
good.
turn. We each got one that we like.
Yeah.
I got the caramel. You got
Yeah.
lemon.
Ooh, you like lemon, don't you?
Lemon.
Here, let's show it to the camera.
Wait, I never tried that one
Oh,
before.
you haven't? I made it as ice cream the other day, and I forgot to let you taste it. Oops.
Yep. So
All
we
right,
can make it
your
again.
turn. Yes, we can make it again. Your turn, Renee.
I have ice
Don't-
cream.
Oh, don't look.
Strawberry.
Ooh, the
Yummy.
original strawberry. Levi, you love strawberry, right, Renee?
Yeah.
Not Renee, Levi. All right, my turn, right?
Yeah. You have to close your eyes. Everybody has to close their eyes. Ooh.
Oh,
Yeah.
this one we're excited about. Renee was just saying before the video started that she hoped
don't.
the big bag was a chocolate toffee. But at least we got a little chocolate toffee in here. All right, Levi, you ready?
Wait.
So there should be 3 more little ones because there's 9. Oh, no, you got 2.
No.
Ooh, Irish cream, another one for me.
Oh,
This one's coffee, has coffee flavor in it too.
All right. No.
And this one's one made by the 2 Crazy Ketos.
I got this one.
I never tried that one
Cookies
before.
and cream.
We should eat that one.
You want to eat this one?
Yeah,
Okay.
ice cream.
Ooh, that's a great idea.
Yes,
All right,
ice
there
cream.
should be one more little, right? Yeah, one more and it's my turn.
Yeah.
Okay, there it is. Ooh, banana.
That's
We like banana.
I never tried it before.
You haven't? We should make that one an ice cream too. I think we should make all of them as ice cream.
Okay,
You ready to do the big,
No, we
the
should
big
make-
bag? Okay, we gotta open the box all the way.
We should make all of the ones that I haven't tried as ice cream. Like
Do you
this.
see it? Do you see what it is?
We should make a pile of ice cream.
Snickerdoodle, Levi. Do you like Snickerdoodle?
Yes.
Do you know what Snickerdoodle flavor is?
No.
Cinnamon. It has cinnamon in it.
Oh.
It's like a cinnamon cookie. That's the big bag this month. Okay. Oh, and you ready to look at the recipe cards?
Yep.
Okay.
But
Oh, that looks good.
let me go to the bathroom.
Oh, this one's by the 2 Crazy Ketos. Okay, here's the first one. Chocolate Toffee Cheesecake. And this is one by the 2 Crazy Ketos. They make great recipes, so I am so confident that it's going to be delicious.
Can I do the next one?
It
We
looks
can take
super good,
turns.
sure.
All right. My favorite one. What is that? Strawberry mousse and chocolate. Coffee?
Yeah.
Wait, strawberry mousse and chocolate tarts.
Ooh. Strawberry mousse and chocolate tarts. Those look really good.
You had tarts before.
Yours is this one. Can you show that? What does it say?
I don't know. Wait, can I read it? Wait. Snickerdoodle granola.
Ooh, Snickerdoodle granola. That sounds amazing.
I love granola.
Okay.
I love
Banana
granola.
split frozen yogurt bites.
That's banana.
That looks good.
That's
Yeah, let's see.
banana.
Banana keto chow, yep. And it has Greek yogurt. That sounds very good.
But we should
What's
make
that
this. Mom,
Oh,
look.
that one's for me.
Butter coffee.
Yeah, butter coffee. It uses, cookies and cream keto chow.
Huh?
Interesting. With
Mom?
coffee.
Mom, what's
That's
one
an
of these?
interesting idea.
What kind of these should we make into ice cream? Wait.
I just did that one, so not that one. Banana or cookies and cream would be fine.
Cookies and cream I want to do with a shake.
Okay, you want to try it as a shake right now? Is that
Yes.
because we try to
Cookies and
try?
cream.
We try to test out a flavor we've never tried before, but I don't think there's one here that we've never tried before, right?
I haven't tried this one or this one. Or this one or this one. Or
But we
this
could
one.
do the cookies and cream.
I want to do that for shake.
Okay,
Does it look like a monster truck right there?
where?
On the picture on my shirt.
Oh, you think that looks like a monster truck? I think it's a ninja, right?
It is, but it just looks like a monster truck. Like
Okay.
those are the wheels.
Okay, sure.
Looks
Sounds
cool,
great.
like a monster.
Okay, so we made the shake, and I made 2 different ways. So I have tasted the cookies and cream before, and I don't think it tastes a lot like cookies and cream. It tastes good, but I don't think it tastes much like cookies and cream. And I've heard that adding a little bit of black cocoa helps make it taste more like cookies and cream, because black cocoa is like Oreo cocoa. It's super good. I've been using it for a long time, and it's delicious in a lot of things. So I mixed it all up, and I poured out half of it, and then I mixed in about half a teaspoon of black cocoa, and so we'll try both and see what we like better. You ready to try? Start with the original cookies and cream. I made it with 2 ounces of butter, like I typically do, and I made it like a milkshake with ice, which is our favorite way to have keto chow.
That tastes like strawberry.
You taste like strawberry, okay?
Not the original strawberry.
It tastes like the strawberry cream?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it tastes like strawberry cream.
What do you think, Renee?
I think it tastes pretty good.
I think it tastes pretty good. I don't think it tastes like cookies and cream. Like, I wouldn't blind taste test this and say, oh yeah, that's cookies and cream. I would be like, oh, it kind of tastes like a vanilla-y type flavor. And it has almost like, not mint, but like this hint of something that's similar to mint. Do you get that? A little bit?
Don't really like it that much.
Yeah, it just doesn't taste like cookies and cream to me.
Yeah, I don't really like it that much.
It's kind of like a base. It's sweet and it's creamy. It's a base flavor. You could probably add a lot of stuff to it and make it, whatever you want. All right, you ready to try this? You're going to try this one first? This is with black cocoa. Let's see if it makes it a little bit more like cookies and cream. That was a big sip.
It tastes good.
It's about the same color as your shirt.
Yeah, it is the same color. Yeah, that's better. That's better than the other one. I want to drink the whole thing.
Yeah, I do think that tastes more Oreo-like.
Can I drink the whole thing? Yeah, it does.
But that one's still not bad, right?
Mm.
It's just kind of plain. Vanilla-ish. Although vanilla cream is definitely better.
Yeah.
All right, so the cookies and cream flavor, the upgraded cookies and cream flavor, what rating do you give it?
I give it like probably 7 thumbs up.
7 out of 10?
Yeah, it's not my favorite. My favorite, I give it out of 10 out of 9.
10 out of 9. Is that really good or really bad?
Really good.
Really good. So you really like it with the black cocoa in there?
Yeah, I don't really like that one.
Yeah,
that one I give
it
out of 10 out of 1.
10 out of 1? Oh, that's pretty bad, actually. I mean, sort of. So we decided to make the chocolate toffee cheesecake from the 2 Crazy Ketos for our recipe, but I made quite a few changes, and actually you'll see that I make a mistake. I decided to simplify the recipe and make it into crustless cheesecake cups. I love cooking cheesecake cups in my Instant Pot, so I did cook them in there instead of in the oven. I also just did half a recipe instead of a whole, and that filled 4 cheesecake cups. So the mistake that I made was that I forgot to half the eggs. There were 2 eggs in the recipe, and I should have used 1 since I was halving it, but I used 2. So my end result was not as creamy as it should have been, but it still turned out really, really good. The cheesecake cups turned out really, really delicious in spite of my mistake, and I'm definitely going to put this recipe on my holiday list. I think it would be perfect for a Thanksgiving or a Christmas dessert.